Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for 18th of April. First of all, national news. Rising fuel, CNG prices, auto taxi drivers in Delhi to go on strike on Monday. Army to review operational readiness along borders from April 18th to 22. Heavy police presence in Delhi's Jahangir Puri Day after violence. COVID spread up by 500% in last 15 days among Delhi residents survey. India reported 1,150 new COVID cases, 4 deaths in 24 hours. Delhi COVID positivity up 26% since 16th of April, 461 new cases, 2 deaths. No need to panic, health experts on concern over COVID in children. Court cannot act as expert in field of education, Supreme Court. Florida man watch, Spider-Man, No Way Home 292 times, created Guinness World Record. And now some international news. Russia claimed it destroyed a Ukrainian military factory outside Kyiv. Myanmar junta says it will free 1,600 prisoners, political protesters excluded. Lay down arms, lives will be spared. Russia to Ukraine army in Mariupol. Over 400 killed, 40,000 homeless after deadliest South Africa floods. Your bravery can't be overstated. Prince Harry's support for Ukraine. And now some sports news. Team of comebacks. Lasith Malinga backs Mumbai Indians to recover from winless form. Gujarat Titans face Chennai Super Kings in match 29 of Indian Premier League at the MCA Stadium in Pune. Weather update and forecast for April 18 across India. Heat wave conditions are possible at isolated pockets of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, parts of Jammu Division, Himachal Pradesh and Vidarbha. Severe heat wave conditions are possible at isolated pockets of these states from April 19. And that's all for today. Thank you to all of you.